Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to easily use your NatWest card reader to make secure payments. This device adds an extra layer of security to your online banking transactions. Now start by inserting your NatWest debit card into the card reader. Make sure the chip side goes in the first, facing up. On the card reader, press the button labeled Pay or Authenticate, depending on your device. The reader will prompt you to enter your card's PIN. After entering your PIN, the card reader will generate a unique code. Enter this code into the payment section of your online banking or transaction page. Finally, confirm the payment on your online banking platform. The transaction will process securely using the code generated by your card reader. And that is how you use the NatWest card reader to pay. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.